welcome to Toronto, where the local time is now 10:30. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and your seatbelt sign has been turned off. After the seatbelt sign is turned off, please use caution when opening overhead compartments, as items tend to shift during flight. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. We invite you to visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMile account. On behalf of Delta, Delta Sky Team, and Global Partners, thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you on board today and look forward to serving you again in the near future.
It's because it's like Star Alliance 20 probably blowing the holes now.
You'll be deplaning by jet bridge, so if you checked your bags carry-on plane side and received a pink tag, you may claim your bags on the jet bridge. All other jet checked bags will arrive at your destination in baggage claim. Please step to the far right side of the jet bridge while you're waiting for your carry-on luggage to allow other passengers to enter into the terminal. Once again, on behalf of the entire Raleigh-Durham crew, we thank you for flying with us and hope you have a great evening in Toronto or wherever your travels may lead you.